The Honourable Minister, CEO of TFL and the Chairperson of the Fiji Pageant, members of the media, Nisambula Vinaka, my name is Cheryl Mudliar and I'm an 18-year-old first-year student at the University of the South Pacific. And this year I'm very proudly representing my very own town of Nosori. And I'm glad that, like our Minister and the CEO has said, that this is an opportunity of a lifetime and very glad to be a part of this historic event. So Vinaka Vakalevu for the opportunity and we shall provide you with the best that we have. Thank you.
My name is Marie. I am 19 years old and very proudly representing Suva City, Naka.
My name is Adele Lingam. I'm 25 years old. I work at Outrigger as a sales executive and I will be proudly representing the Coral Coast people of Singatoka, Vinaka.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Neha Nandini Narayan. I'm 21 years old and I'm proudly standing here before you as Miss Sugar City Lautoka, Vinaka.
Good evening to you all. My name is Sheetal Raj. I'm 23 and I'm proudly representing my town, Tavoa. Thank you.
The signing of the major sponsorship this afternoon between Telecom Fiji and Fiji Pageant Association is indeed a significant progress for the Fiji Pageant towards hosting the 2015 Fiji Pageant. Telecom Fiji Pageant 2015 shall for the first time allow townships winning queens the chance to participate at the national level with the objective to select Miss Fiji. The winner shall then take part at the regional and international organized events including the South Pacific Pageant 2015. Let me give you some background on this, how it all happened. And I believe you as the contestants would be of interest to know. Early this year, we had a meeting with the Hibiscus Festival Committee's chairman and with all respective municipalities. And in that meeting, we discussed about this Fiji pageant. We are not trying to criticize anybody, but because the constitution says one Fiji, then we have to behave like that. It's not that we just say something and don't do. And that's how it all came up. And in that meeting, the resolution was that the winners from all districts will battle for Miss Fiji. And that's how it came. And this afternoon, on behalf of the chairman and on behalf of government, I want to thank TFL for coming on board and being the major sponsors for the 2015 Fiji pageant. Queens participating from various townships shall be carrying their township tags. Ba will carry Ba. Lautoka, blues. Nandi, green. Okay? So, in other words, you're going to promote your town as well. And all these things are happening for the first time in this country. And you all should be very glad that when the history will be written about Fiji pageant, your names will appear in those pages. Don't forget about that. That's more important. And you all are so lucky. And to the sponsors, I want to say that to start off Miss Fiji pageant, we're going to have 10 queens to battle to be Miss Fiji. The last carnival that we're having before we're going to have the Miss Fiji is Lavuka. This week they're having their carnival. So those carnivals are known to be well branded and with the respective township for many years. As I've said earlier on, that in some towns we don't have, but we will see if we don't get active participation from the other organizations they are hosting. We will see that how we can assist them first. If not, then I will direct the municipalities to hold. For continuity of the township's carnival and to ensure Fiji pageant platform strengthens, respective towns and city councils will continue to play a major significant role to hold carnivals year in, year out. That's my assurance. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, it's a very brief program, so I take this opportunity to once again thank Telecom Fiji in joining in us as major sponsors for the Miss Fiji Pageant Contest 2015. Your support in initiating this contest is highly acknowledged. And for the first time, they'll allow all township winning queens the chance to participate at the national level. I would call this one as just like soccer, we have Battle of Giants. So we will have Battle of Queens 2015. Yeah. So with that, once again, thank you, Telecom. All the best. I got to be impartial because you all are my queens. So I just want to say all the best. Gunaga. Oh, tabu dia. Thank you for the partnership.